That's right, guys. Wash dishes with me. Hang out with me. We are resetting for the night. Okay? So that's the thing to do. You have to always reset your house. Okay? So when you wake up in the morning, everything is nice and neat, and you don't have to wake up to last night's mess, right? So we just go ahead and clean up. And with me, it normally don't take a lot because it's just me cooking here by myself. So it normally don't take a lot for me to have to clean up. But the best thing to do, guys, we have to reset so that our lives can be simpler and easier, right?